Working as a veterinary assistant is one of the most rewarding yet demanding careers in the animal care industry. It combines compassion, technical skill, and emotional resilience. Veterinary assistants support veterinarians and veterinary technicians in providing care for animals, handling everything from assisting in surgeries to calming anxious pets and their owners. During an interview, employers want to see not only your knowledge of animal care but also your empathy, teamwork, and ability to handle stressful situations with patience and professionalism. This guide explores common veterinary assistant interview questions along with detailed sample answers and preparation tips. Whether you're interviewing for your first role in a clinic or advancing your experience in animal healthcare, understanding what interviewers are looking for can make all the difference. Understanding the role of a veterinary assistant. A veterinary assistant plays a crucial role in ensuring that veterinary clinics, hospitals, and shelters run smoothly. Their responsibilities include preparing examination rooms, cleaning cages, feeding animals, assisting during medical procedures, sterilizing equipment, and maintaining accurate patient records. They also interact directly with pet owners, often serving as the comforting bridge between the veterinarian and the client. Employers look for candidates who are dependable, compassionate, and able to work in a fast-paced, often emotionally charged environment. The best veterinary assistants balance care and precision, providing gentle handling of animals while maintaining strict hygiene and safety standards. In your interview, showing that you have both practical knowledge and emotional intelligence will help you stand out as a capable and caring professional. Question 1. Why do you want to work as a veterinary assistant? Here's how you can answer. I've always had a deep love for animals and a desire to contribute to their well-being. Working as a veterinary assistant allows me to combine that passion with hands-on skills that make a real difference. I enjoy being part of a team that helps animals recover, stay healthy, and receive compassionate care. The role also gives me a chance to support both veterinarians and pet owners, which I find personally fulfilling. Tip: show that your motivation is driven by compassion and a genuine interest in animal welfare. Question 2. What do you think are the most important responsibilities of a veterinary assistant? Here's how you can answer. The most important responsibilities include assisting veterinarians during procedures, ensuring animals are handled safely and comfortably, maintaining cleanliness in the clinic, preparing examination areas, and keeping accurate medical records. A veterinary assistant also provides comfort to animals and reassurance to their owners. Attention to detail and empathy are equally essential to perform these duties effectively. Tip: demonstrate that you understand both the clinical and emotional sides of the role. Question 3. How do you handle an aggressive or frightened animal? Here's how you can answer. I stay calm and patient, moving slowly and avoiding sudden gestures that might increase fear. I speak softly to the animal, giving it space to adjust. I also use proper restraint techniques as trained, always prioritizing safety for both the animal and staff. I've learned that patience and understanding go a long way in gaining an animal's trust. Tip: highlight your composure, safety awareness, and gentle approach with animals. Question 4. How do you support veterinarians during medical procedures? Here's how you can answer. I assist by preparing the necessary instruments, holding or restraining animals safely, monitoring vital signs, and ensuring that all equipment is clean and ready. During the procedure, I stay alert and responsive to the veterinarian's instructions. Afterward, I help with cleanup, sterilization, and documentation. Clear communication and attention to detail are key in supporting procedures efficiently. Tip: show teamwork and reliability under supervision. Question 5. How do you handle emotional situations, such as when an animal is very sick or has to be euthanized? Here's how you can answer. These moments can be emotionally challenging, but I remind myself that our role is to reduce suffering and provide the best care possible. I focus on staying professional and supportive, offering empathy to owners while ensuring that procedures are handled respectfully. After difficult cases, I take time to reflect and maintain emotional balance, so I can continue to perform effectively for other patients. Tip: show emotional maturity and your ability to handle sensitive situations compassionately. Question 6. How do you ensure the clinic stays clean and sanitary? Here's how you can answer. I follow strict cleaning and disinfection protocols throughout the day, especially after each patient visit or procedure. I regularly sanitize examination tables, cages, tools, and waiting areas. I also handle waste properly and ensure that all cleaning supplies are stored safely. Maintaining a hygienic environment is essential for preventing infection and ensuring the health of both animals and humans. Tip: demonstrate that you take hygiene and infection control seriously. Question 7. Describe a time when you had to work under pressure. How did you handle it? Here's how you can answer. In my previous experience, there were times when several emergencies arrived at once. I stayed calm, prioritized tasks based on urgency, and supported the veterinarian by preparing materials quickly and helping manage animal movement in and out of rooms. By staying organized and focused, we handled all cases efficiently without compromising care. Tip: highlight your composure, prioritization skills, and teamwork under stress. Question 8. How do you communicate with pet owners who are nervous or emotional? Here's how you can answer. I listen attentively and show empathy, understanding that pet owners are often anxious about their animals. I explain procedures clearly and in simple terms, reassuring them that their pet is in good hands. I also stay patient, giving them time to express their concerns. Building trust through calm and respectful communication is key. Tip: focus on empathy, active listening, and professionalism in communication. Question 9. What steps do you take to ensure animal safety in your care? Here's how you can answer. I always follow safety protocols for handling and restraint to prevent injury to both the animal and staff. I make sure equipment and cages are secure, monitor animals closely for signs of distress, and maintain a calm environment to reduce anxiety. I also double-check medication doses and feeding instructions to ensure accuracy. Tip: emphasize vigilance and responsibility in maintaining safety standards. Question 10. What would you do if you noticed a mistake in an animal's treatment plan? Here's how you can answer. If I noticed a possible error, such as a wrong dosage or documentation issue, I would immediately bring it to the veterinarian's attention. It's important to communicate respectfully but urgently in such cases because patient safety comes first. I would never try to correct medical information on my own, but I would ensure it's addressed quickly. Tip: show integrity and understanding of chain of command in veterinary settings. Question 11. How do you stay organized in a busy clinic? Here's how you can answer. I rely on structured routines and checklists to keep track of daily tasks such as cleaning, feeding, and preparing rooms. I also document patient details immediately after each visit to avoid confusion. Staying organized helps ensure that nothing is missed and that the clinic runs efficiently, especially when handling multiple animals. Tip: highlight your time management and consistency in multitasking environments. Question 12. What do you enjoy most about working with animals? Here's how you can answer. I love seeing animals recover and knowing I've played a part in improving their quality of life. Whether it's helping a sick pet regain strength or comforting an anxious one during treatment, those moments are incredibly rewarding. Each animal has its own personality, and connecting with them is what makes this work special to me. Tip: express genuine joy and emotional connection to the work. Question 13. How do you handle disagreements or differences of opinion with coworkers? Here's how you can answer. I handle disagreements professionally by discussing them calmly and respectfully. I focus on finding solutions rather than placing blame. In a veterinary environment, teamwork is vital, so I always prioritize what's best for the animals in the clinic. Good communication helps maintain harmony and efficiency within the team. Tip: show emotional intelligence and respect for teamwork. Question 14. Why should we hire you as our veterinary assistant? Here's how you can answer. You should hire me because I bring a mix of compassion, responsibility, and practical skill. I'm dedicated to providing high-quality care, maintaining a clean and organized environment, and supporting the team in every way possible. I handle animals gently and communicate well with clients, which helps build trust. Most importantly, I'm passionate about helping animals and ensuring that every visit to the clinic is safe and positive. Tip: combine your empathy, skills, and reliability into a confident summary. Final thoughts. Interviewing for a veterinary assistant position is not only about proving your technical knowledge, it's also about showing your heart. Employers want to know that you can work efficiently under pressure while remaining kind and empathetic toward animals and their owners. Before your interview, reflect on your personal experiences with animals, especially moments that demonstrate patience, care, or problem-solving. Prepare to discuss both your hands-on skills and your ability to handle emotional situations. Bring real examples that show you are dependable, compassionate, and detail-oriented. The best veterinary assistants are those who blend medical awareness with empathy. They help clinics run smoothly while creating a comforting environment for patients and their families. If you approach your interview with genuine passion, confidence, and understanding of animal care, you'll not only impress your interviewer, but also show that you're ready to be a trusted and valued member of the veterinary team.